Today I want to show you how to set up the domain for one of these new smart sites. So this is the page we worked on the other day in our demo. And so you say, okay, once this is done, then all you need to do is log into the dashboard and go down here to Tools, and we'll hit Domain Mapping. And you need to add a domain. So we've picked a domain here. We're going to use idxaddon.com. So we got to change two pieces of information. So let's grab this domain and let's go to our domain mapping and let's add it. We're going to make it the primary domain for this blog, so you can actually point different domains to one of these sites. And then it says here you'll need to add a DNS-A record pointing here. So let's copy that, and we're just going to change this to point at this. Usually we change an @ record too, so you can also set it like that if you'd like to. Depends on what your host looks like. If you have GoDaddy, it's going to look a little bit different than this. So the next step here is we're going to go to domain dossier, and we're going to check that idxaddon.com. Let me make sure that's the domain we're using. Yep. And let's check our DNS records. Okay, so it looks like on the internet now they're pointing to this 162. So my computer has some DNS cached the wrong way. So if I look at it on my computer, it's not going to work. But we're going to go to GeoPeeker, and let's see what these guys show us if we put that in. It's where you kind of cross your fingers and hope that it all works. Yep. So it's going to start pulling. The servers can see the page, and you can see that the domain works on it now. So that's all it took. It took just a minute to set up, and you got your domain on your website now. So that's all there is to it. It's fast and easy to set up, and it's just part of what the suite sites are. They're small, simple, basic sites. So if you want something that's simple and really easy to get set up and get on board, works great with IDX Broker, get a suite site today.